This webinar, How to Succeed with Managed Services, Part 8, Delivering Managed Services. Today with us is myself. I'll be moderating. My name is Rich Akullian. I'm the online marketing producer at Autotask. Also with us today, and lucky to have him, is Erick Simpson. He's the VP of MSPU University. And to tell you a little bit about myself, I've got 10 years experience in web marketing, and I've also got a big experience in running an e-commerce site. I've been around the block. I'm a blogger. I'm Google AdWords certified. Excuse me. And I'm a trade show warrior like Erick is. I mean, we're out there. And for all those golfers out there, I'm a bogey golfer. I always go for it. Once in a while I get some birdies, but most of the time I'm with you guys. I'm hitting some bogeys. So to get us started off, I just want to tell you a little bit about Autotask, because we sponsor this event, and it's the world's #1 provider of cloud-based IT business management software, and we've been in the cloud for 10 years. And pretty much just to let you know that what Erick is talking to you today about delivering your managed services, there's a piece of that that's going to be able to fit into Autotask. And we have 45,000 users out there that are doing a lot of things that Erick's going to tell you about, and they're running their business through Autotask. And so with that, I really would like to turn it over to Erick. And we'll just tell you a little bit, the agenda. We'll go through the overview, brief introduction to MSPU University, how to succeed with managed services, and then we'll wrap up with those Q&As like I said. But make sure if you have any questions throughout the presentation, put them into the Q&A, because we'll make sure that we can compile those and get to them for you at the end. And so you can see here that this is the last one of an 8-part series that we've been doing this year. So we're wrapping up 2011 and looking at 2012 like a lot of you guys are. And with that, I'd really like to turn it over to Erick, because I know he's got a lot of great content for everyone. Welcome, Erick.
Thanks very much, Rich. Appreciate being able to participate in this great series between MSPU University and Autotask. We've built quite a strong partnership over the last several years, Autotask being a great sponsor for MSPU University, and helping us deliver this type of quality content to IT providers online, as well as through our partnership delivering our boot camps all over the U.S. and then next year internationally as well. So there's a slide about me. I've been around the block a couple times, as you can see. I really want to focus on today's content, so I'm going to skip right past it after I give you just 10 seconds about MSPU University, which is today the largest online resource for business improvement and transformation for IT solution providers worldwide. We're very proud of the quality of the content that we deliver and how we deliver to help you improve your business operations, effectiveness, and net profits. We really focus on 4 key areas in your business, which includes marketing, sales, service delivery, and of course operations. The key components that drive your growth and success in the industry. And we deliver training, as I mentioned, online through our training portal at mspu.us, and as well at our live 3-day boot camps along with Autotask. I mean, we really focus on core business unit best practices, as well as solutions training. And we provide certificates of completion for the attendees that go through our marketing track, go through our sales track, and go through our service delivery track. And then finally, we do embedded consulting engagements. We'll go on site to your location and work with your teams to improve your operations focused on these key business areas. Now, as this is the last webcast in this series, we covered everything from best practices for marketing, for sales, for service delivery, for pricing, for agreements. I mean, just about everything that would give you a library of reference to build or improve your MSP practice, all available at Autotask Academy on demand. I wanted to take this final webcast and talk about tips and techniques to maximize your business operations net profits. So I'm going to cover a series of slides focused on different areas that I would focus on in order to improve net profits overall in your operation. And then we'll get into some Q&A. So, I always say that the 3 components of a successful IT practice are the tools and technologies that you select to power your business practice, such as Autotask, and how those tools and technologies are configured to help you achieve your business goals and meet your clients' needs. The processes and procedures that you develop or adopt and put into place to provide consistent business and service delivery outcomes. And finally, the people. How you lead, incent, influence, and manage your teams to improve their performance and thereby improving your client's experience with your organization. So, what I want you to think about on this slide is taking a mirror, and the mirror that you're reflecting on yourself as you work on the business by going through this series of webcasts with MSPU and Autotask. We're really talking about improving your business's outcomes in all of these areas. And one of the key areas that you invest in your business is your tools and technology. So you've got your Autotask as your PSM, you've got your remote monitoring and management tool, you have your accounting systems, you have your line of business applications, all of the things that you're continually investing in as a best practice to help improve your organization. It's the same thing that you're telling and consulting your clients to do to improve their business operations. So I want you to take that same mirror and reflect it upon yourself and say, wow, we should be evaluating new tools and technologies, ways to deliver better service. And now that the cloud is here, holy cow, what an opportunity that is. And mobile device management and things that, we can extend our capabilities and service offerings and ability to manage and maintain to deliver better service, more value to our clients, but to improve our operations internally as well. So just like we consult with our clients on our quarterly business reviews to invest and to set aside budgets for these technology improvements, you should be doing the same things. And just like we tell our clients to see those investments as strategic decisions to deliver competitive advantage, I want you to think about that for your own organizations as well. And then once we've invested in our tools and technology, how do we realize additional incremental benefit, efficiencies, and net profits? Is by continuing to tweak and tune our tools and technology to improve it over time. All right, here's the other one I just talked about, that processes and procedures. Again, if you don't have a solid incident management process, a solid project management process, solid sales engineering process, solid sales process, marketing process, look to our website. We offer a free basic membership where you can obtain much of that information if you don't have these processes baked, or if you want to evaluate your processes against some best practices. So that, and figure out a way, not only when you lay your processes down, but hold your teams accountable to the process. If you hold your teams accountable to the process, then guess what occurs? We tend to get away from our interpersonal feelings about things. If we are just accountable to the process, and the process is solid and we understand what our roles and responsibilities are, then we'll perform at a much better level. But it's not enough just to simply implement these processes and hold your teams accountable to those processes. You also have to measure performance, right? So everyone on your team needs to understand what their role is in the organization, what the chain of command is, who reports to who makes the decisions, how their performance is being measured, and how they are compensated for meeting or exceeding your performance expectations, right? But you'll never get that far unless you have some processes and procedures that you've established and ratified for them to follow. Because what do technicians and engineers and anyone, sales professionals, marketing folks, do in the absence of process? Well, they do what they think they should be doing. They try to make the best decisions with the information they have at hand, which in some occasions may not be the decision that you would like them to make and may not meet the organization's overall goal.